Have you ever dreamed of a home that perfectly blends rustic charm with modern luxury? A home with soaring ceilings, breathtaking views, and enough space for your family, your hobbies, and your dreams? Well, you're not alone. The future of modern country living is here, and it's called the two-story barndominium. Stick around, because we're about to explore the most incredible designs you'll be seeing everywhere in 2025. So what exactly sets a two-story barndominium apart from its single-story cousin? It's simple, really. A two-story barndo takes that classic, durable metal building shell and stacks it, literally doubling your living space without eating up more of your precious land. This vertical approach unlocks a world of possibilities. Better views from a second-floor balcony, more creative and dynamic layouts, and a clear separation between your social and private spaces. Imagine hosting a lively get-together downstairs while the kids are sound asleep in their quiet bedrooms upstairs. It's the best of both worlds. The advantages are huge. First, as I mentioned, you get a ton of extra living space on the same foundation footprint. This is a game changer for smaller lots, or if you want to maximize your yard. Second, it creates a natural division in the home. The ground floor becomes your social hub, the kitchen, living room, and dining area, while the upstairs becomes a private retreat for bedrooms, a home office, or a quiet reading nook. This separation is fantastic for large families, people who work from home, or anyone who just appreciates having their own personal sanctuary away from the hustle and bustle. Now, let us talk about the exciting design trends for 2025. The name of the game is openness and light. We're seeing a massive trend towards open concept downstairs layouts, where the kitchen, dining, and living areas flow seamlessly into one another, creating a massive, inviting space for family and friends. A key feature is the loft, often overlooking the main living area below. It adds architectural drama and serves as a flexible space for an office, playroom, or cozy lounge. To bring the outside in, full-glass window walls and second-story balconies are becoming standard. These not only flood the home with natural light, but also connect you directly to the landscape. And on the outside, forget the simple all-metal look. The trend is all about hybrid exteriors, blending sleek metal siding with warm, natural wood accents for a look that's both modern and timeless. Feeling inspired? Let's dive into some popular layout ideas that showcase these trends perfectly. First up, a classic, the three-bedroom barndo with an upper loft. Downstairs, you have an expansive great room with stunning vaulted ceilings that soar all the way up to the second floor. The kitchen and dining areas are part of this open space. Upstairs, you'll find two cozy bedrooms and a full bath, along with a loft area that looks down over the living room, perfect for a home office or a kid's play zone. The master suite is conveniently located on the main floor for privacy and accessibility. Next, for those needing more room, consider a four-bedroom plan with an upstairs master suite. This design puts all the kids' bedrooms downstairs, maybe with a shared Jack and Jill bathroom. Then, the entire second floor is dedicated to a luxurious master retreat. We're talking a huge bedroom, a spa-like bathroom, a massive walk-in closet, and the ultimate prize, a private balcony with incredible views. It's like having a five-star hotel suite in your own home. What if your barndo needs to be more than just a home? Let's look at a plan with an integrated garage or workshop. This is the ultimate live-work setup. The ground floor features a massive, high-ceiling garage or shop space on one side, and a modest living area on the other. Above the shop, a guest loft with a small kitchenette and bathroom provides a perfect, private space for visitors, in-laws, or even as a short-term rental unit. It's efficiency and functionality at its finest. Finally, for the ultimate family-focused barndo, imagine a design centered around flow and togetherness. This layout features a huge central kitchen with a massive island that acts as the heart of the home. It opens up completely to a spacious dining area on one side and a comfortable family lounge on the other. Large sliding glass doors lead out to a covered patio for indoor-outdoor living. Upstairs, you'll find all the bedrooms, keeping the sleeping quarters separate and quiet. This design is all about making daily family life easy, connected, and beautiful. Now, it's the interior features that really make a barndominium feel special. The industrial DNA of the structure allows for some amazing design choices. Exposed steel or wood beams are almost a signature feature, adding character and a sense of volume. With the height you get in a two-story, spiral staircases are not just space savers. They're sculptural elements that add a huge wow factor. High ceilings are a given, but designers are using them to install panoramic, two-story window walls that make you feel like you're living right in nature. And in the kitchen, a huge island isn't just for prep. It's the new dining table, homework station, and social hub. To top it all off, smart lighting systems and energy-efficient construction ensure your stunning home is also comfortable and affordable to run. Let's talk numbers for a minute. What about budget and size? A typical two-story barndo footprint might be around 40 by 80 feet or 50 by 70 feet, giving you between 3,200 and 7,000 square feet of total living space, depending on how you design the second floor. Cost, of course, varies wildly based on location, finishes, and complexity. A simple, rectangular design will always be more affordable than a complex layout with multiple roof lines and bump outs. One of the best ways to manage costs is to consider a prefab kit. These kits provide the structural shell, the posts, beams, roofing, and siding, which can save you significant time and money on labor and materials during the initial construction phase. The best part about building a barndominium is the endless potential for customization. That second floor is a blank canvas. Don't need for bedrooms? Turn one into an upstairs entertainment room with a projector and screen for epic movie nights. Or maybe you need a quiet, dedicated home office with a view. How about a walkout balcony off the master bedroom for your morning coffee? Or a charming mini library nook tucked under the eaves? From rustic interior finishes with reclaimed wood and stone to a sleek, modern aesthetic with polished concrete floors and minimalist decor, you can truly tailor every square foot to reflect your personal style. So there you have it. A two-story barndominium offers the perfect trifecta of space, style, and modern comfort. It's a home that adapts to your family's needs, provides a stunning backdrop for your life, and embraces the beauty of the landscape around it. It's no wonder these incredible homes are set to be one of the biggest trends of 2025. What do you think? Are you ready to start planning your dream two-story barndo? Let me know in the comments which design idea was your favorite. Thanks so much for watching. If you want more barndominium plans and home design inspiration, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. We'll see you in the next one.